Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Julius AI and ChatGPT. So to get started, in 2025, Julius AI and ChatGPT serve distinct purposes in the realms of artificial intelligence. Julius AI is a specialized platform designed for in-depth data analysis and visualization, while ChatGPT is a versatile conversational AI adapt at a wide range of text-based tasks. Julius AI stands out for its robust data handling capabilities, supporting files up to 32 gigs and offering over 40 customizable chat types. It integrates multiple AI models, including GPT-4 and Cloud3, and provides features like high memory containers for intensive tasks. Its interface is tailored for data professional, facilitating complex analysis without requiring program and expertise. However, its price starts at $20 per month, with advanced features available at higher tiers. On the other hand, ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI GPT-4, excels in generating human-like text, making it ideal for drafting content, brainstorming, and coding assistance. While it offers some data analysis capabilities, it has limitations in handling large datasets and lack advanced visualization tools. Its strength lies in its adaptability and easy of use, with a user-friendly chat interface and a more accessible pricing model. In summary, choose Julius AI if your primary need is advanced data analysis and visualization. On the other hand, opt for ChatGPT if you are seeking a versatile AI assistant for broad range of text-based tasks. So that's it.